Hello guys, how are you? Today I just wanted to show you guys some really cool goodies I got from Stamps by Me Limited. It's a UK brand from Tony. Sorry for the bad voice. My throat is sore and it hurts really badly. And I hope I can explain everything properly and show you guys everything I wanted to show you. So, would love to show you guys what I've just received and just showing you guys all the goodies I've got, and I will show you the samples as well. I will try to show you samples as soon as I can and will give you the details as much as I can. So here's the first stamp I received. It's butterfly stamps from Imala, and this one is about, I think, about 5.5 or 6 inches long. These stamps, they are really beautiful. I mean, like, I just went crazy when I just saw it, and hopefully I will make lots and lots of cool stuff with it. Here's the picture. Butterfly stamps. And here's another one. This one is my favorite. I mean, like, who would not want this one? I'm just mad about this one. This is from Imala, as if, and you can see the size of this stamp. I mean, like, seriously, check this out. This is larger than my palm even. I think this is also more than 7 inches. I forgot to get a scale. Hopefully I will show you more details, and yes, stay tuned for what I will be making with this cool stuff as soon as I can. This is a beauty. I hope you can see how beautiful the stamp is and how much detail it has got. I mean, like, I think you will be making lots and lots of, so you can make lots of beautiful stuff with it. Lots of variation. This one is same Imala butterfly, and see how beautiful this is. I will show you a close-up. This is the butterfly. Here are the leaves and flowers, small delicate flowers, and check out the butterfly. This is so beautiful. And by the way, they all are large sizes. All the stems are large sizes. So yeah, for any details, just let me know. I will put in the link, or if you want to ask anything. But yeah, this is from Stamps by Me Limited, UK. Just check out how delicate the stamp is. Look at the flowers and look at the butterfly. I mean, you can just do the fussy cutting, or just put it the way it is. You can make a card or a frame to hang on your wall for your lounge or anywhere. This looks really beautiful. Can't wait to get my hands on these and, like, just try these out, seriously. Okay, these were this, and I have some that. Okay, I will show you one more stamp set. Okay, this one is a stamp. This one is Stamps by Me. This one is from Tony. This is A5 stamp. As you can see, this is quite large. I think about 3 inches. 3 inches, and this is the back of it. By the way, all of these mostly have a free tutorial. If you buy these, see stampsbyme.co.uk. If you buy these, they have all the tutorials for this. This one is a stamp, and this one comes in a set with the die. Check this out. This is really cool. It's all about me floral die. I will show you the stamp again. It's all about you florals, A5 stamp size. And then I have these cool die sets. Check this out. This is from Pretty Penny Floral Borders, and these are also quite large. I will show you from the back. See, about yes, these are also almost 6 inches. I hope I'm showing you properly and you can see how beautiful this everything is, all the products are, and you can see how delicate these dies are and stems are, as you can see. I know this would be a little bit harder to understand, but I will definitely get you the sample for each of the die and stamp. I will try to get you the samples mostly for the dies, and yes, I will try to get you the samples for the stamps as well. And check this out. This one is also from Pretty Penny. Butterflies. See how beautiful the beautiful and delicate this is. And check out the sizes. Are these not beauties? All these goodies are from stampsbyme.co.uk, and it's from Tony. And here is another one, Locks and Key. This is also from Pretty Penny. Here is one key. I just loved it. When I saw this key, I just loved it. And here are 2 locks. Okay, both of these locks are different. It's up to you how you use it. And if you want to use both of them in one card or a frame or anything, but these are good sizes and really, really beautiful. Check this out. I think this is almost 3.5 to 4 inches, and the size of the key is also really, really good. It is a beautiful die set. And this is my pretty floral elements Pretty Penny. This is my favorite one, seriously. It's got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dies, and the sizes are really, really cool. They are really good. I think with this die set you can get lots and lots of variation, as in like making larger flower and just using it in one card, and using all the this one and this one for 2 border sides, and then here are leaves. You have got 2 types of leaves here, and 1 2 3 4 4 smaller size of flowers. I will definitely be using these 2, guaranteed. And obviously all of these, but I think I don't know, these are really, really beautiful. Okay, we got this. I'm trying to make it as small as possible, the video. Okay, these are Lamination Plus Stamps by Me stencils for paper crafting. As you can see, this stencil is really beautiful. Here also you have a free video tutorial, as you can see. And here is one more. All these stencils and stamps and dies, they have really, really cool variations of whatever you want to make. Seriously, if you are into paper crafting or mixed media or anything, seriously, you can use this. Like for example, you can use this for frame as well. This is the this one is the stamp. This is die. You can use this simply for a frame or a box or a shadow box. This will look really beautiful. And check this out. I mean, like, this is crazy. This stamp is crazy. It's got three of these beauties. As you can see, these are actually really, really large. You can see it by my hand. Check this out. Really, really large. Most probably, I don't know, I think most probably more than 6 inches. Check this out, how beautiful this stamp is. Here it goes. One more. Definitely gonna make lots of cool stuff out of this stamp set. And it says, happy feet, why walk when you can dance, dancing in the rain, dance like no one is watching. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wordings. Happy feet, love it. Okay, and I have this paper pad. It's It's all about me, unique paper collection, as you can see. Let me check it out. Okay, free tutorials for this as well. And this is a pink one. This is the pink one I got. A pink shade paper. I will just show you in a while. I just wanted to show you last two things, beautiful things. I have this really gorgeous glitter, white glitter, pure white glitter. It says stamps by me, my Beda's American Smooth. I'm sorry if I'm getting you the wrong pronunciation. And here I can't get it clear, but this is 15 ml stamps by me. Definitely gonna try this out as soon as possible. Okay, and here are these beautiful stick on, whatever you say. These are really beautiful, seriously. The shine is too good. They are 8 mm. It's got 50 pieces. Stamps by me. I have 4 shades of these. Will definitely be putting the using these in each and every of my product from now on, guaranteed. And yes, will show you the outcome, whatever it was. And yes, in real, seriously, I'm really hoping you guys can see this clearly. I will try to open this up. Let's see how long the video is. And I have this one. Really cool for the florals one. If you, I think whatever shade you will be making with the florals, check this out. For the flowers or whatever, you can put these here near this. This one, if you make it even for with the frame, you can put this one depending on what color you have made. Yes, I want to show you this one. Seriously, this is really beautiful. Okay, it's got about this one is 8 by 8 paper blocks, 200 GSM, 12 design with 48 pages. Cool. I hope the shade is proper, the coloring is proper, and yeah, it's got 4 sheets of 8 by 8. I will try to get to you as close as possible and show you the shades and everything, but I don't think I will be able to do all of it, but I will show all the each of the designs. Okay. And the material is too good, seriously. I just love this one, seriously. It's got a really cool effect. If you can see 2 birds, and it's pinkish. I hope I can show it properly. And shaded pink, the background. It's really cool. You can even use it for anything else, for if you cut off the birds. Really beautiful sheet design for a frame, 6 by 8 by 8 or 10 by 10. Seriously, this is a really cool frame. And here we have another one. Okay, the dies I got, you can even just cut these off. With this one, these die, as you can see, these are the same ones. You can cut these off and just use it as it is. You have about 4 pages of the same design. Okay, I am going bad. I don't want it more than 15 minutes. Here it goes. Really cool die cuts already I have in this. I think there would be about 8 sheets of it. Hope you guys like this, and I will try to get you motivated to buy all these products and go for it. There is lots and lots of new varieties on their shop. I mean, like really cool stuff. I will be uploading these as soon as possible, and whenever I make the sample, my first product, whatever it is, I will definitely upload it. And go for, if you want to check their products out, it's let me see where I can get the, yes, this one is stampsbyme.co.uk by Tony Darroch. You also get a few free tutorials. I think the latest ones are all getting all the free tutorials. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. We'll definitely show you more stuff soon. Bye bye. Take care.